Your car is full of hidden features, warning signs, and engineering secrets that most drivers never notice. Here are 100 verified car facts that could change the way you drive and maintain your vehicle. Make sure you stay until the end so you don't miss any important tips, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. 1. Tire pressure should be checked when the tires are cold, not after a long drive. 2. The correct tire pressure is on the driver's door sticker, not the number printed on the tire. 3. Overinflated tires can reduce grip, worsen braking, and wear unevenly. 4. Underinflated tires can overheat and increase the risk of a blowout. 5. Cold weather lowers tire pressure, which is why TPMS lights often appear in winter. 6. The tire pressure warning light does not replace regular tire checks. 7. Tire tread depth affects wet road braking more than many drivers realize. 8. Uneven tire wear can signal alignment, suspension, or inflation problems. 9. Rotating tires helps them wear more evenly and last longer. 10. Old tires can become unsafe even if the tread still looks good. 11. Engine oil reduces friction, cools parts, and helps clean the engine. 12. Oil change intervals only work if you also check and top off oil when needed. 13. Low oil pressure is an emergency warning, not a reminder. 14. If the oil pressure light comes on while driving, pull over and shut the engine off. 15. Driving with low oil pressure can destroy an engine within minutes. 16. Dark oil does not always mean bad oil. Mileage and condition matter more. 17. Using the wrong oil viscosity can affect engine protection and fuel economy. 18. Transmission fluid is not the same as engine oil. 19. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, which can reduce braking performance. 20. Mixing brake fluid and power steering fluid can cause very expensive damage. 21. Coolant prevents overheating and also protects against corrosion. 22. Water alone is not a proper long-term replacement for engine coolant. 23. A rising temperature gauge should never be ignored. 24. Overheating can warp engine parts and lead to major repairs. 25. Never open a hot radiator cap because pressurized coolant can cause serious burns. 26. A weak battery can still turn on lights but fail to start the engine. 27. Car batteries usually fail more often during extreme heat or cold. 28. Corrosion on battery terminals can cause starting problems. 29. The battery warning light usually means a charging system issue, not just a bad battery. 30. Short trips can prevent a battery from fully recharging. 31. Brake pads are designed to wear down over time. 32. Squealing brakes can be an early warning sign from the wear indicator. 33. Grinding brakes usually means metal is contacting metal. 34. A shaking steering wheel while braking can point to warped rotors. 35. Brake pedal softness can indicate air, leaks, or hydraulic problems. 36. ABS helps prevent wheel lockup, but it does not shorten stopping distance in every situation. 37. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, which can lower its boiling point and make brakes feel weak during hard braking. 38. More horsepower does not matter if the tires cannot grip. 39. Wet roads reduce traction long before standing water appears. 40. Hydroplaning happens when tires ride on water instead of the road. 41. Headlights aren't just for helping you see the road. Their main safety benefit is helping other drivers see your car sooner. 42. Dirty headlights can reduce nighttime visibility. 43. Worn wiper blades can make rain driving much more dangerous. 44. Washer fluid is different from plain water and works better in cold conditions. 45. Cabin air filters clean the air entering the car's interior. 46. A dirty engine air filter can reduce performance and efficiency. 47. The check engine light does not always mean the engine is about to fail. 48. A flashing check engine light is more urgent than a steady one. 49. Ignoring a misfire can damage the catalytic converter. 50. The catalytic converter helps reduce harmful exhaust emissions. 51. The gas tank arrow on the dashboard shows which side the fuel door is on. 52. Running very low on fuel often can stress the fuel pump. 53. Modern fuel pumps are usually cooled by fuel inside the tank. 54. Premium fuel does not improve every car. Use the octane recommended by the manufacturer. 55. Diesel fuel and gasoline are not interchangeable. 56. Putting the wrong fuel in a car can cause serious damage. 57. Cars are heaviest when fully loaded, which affects braking and handling. 58. Roof cargo increases drag and can reduce fuel economy. 59. Idling uses fuel without moving the car. 60. Smooth acceleration usually saves more fuel than aggressive driving. 61. Speeding increases wind resistance and fuel use. 62. Cruise control can improve fuel economy on flat highways. 63. Air conditioning can slightly reduce fuel economy, especially at low speeds. 64. Open windows can increase drag at highway speeds. 65. Modern cars are designed to crumple in crashes to protect passengers. 66. Airbags are designed to work with seat belts, not replace them. 67. Sitting too close to the steering wheel can make airbag deployment more dangerous. 68. Seat belts spread crash force across stronger parts of the body. 69. Head restraints are designed to reduce neck injury, not just support your head. 70. Car seats for children must match the child's age, size, and weight. 71. Backup cameras help, but they still have blind spots. 72. Blind spot monitors are assistance systems, not replacements for checking mirrors. 73. Lane assist does not mean the car can drive itself. 74. Automatic emergency braking can reduce crashes but cannot overcome physics. 75. Driver assistance systems can be limited by rain, snow, glare, or dirty sensors. 76. A dirty windshield can create glare at night. 77. The defroster works better when the air conditioning system removes moisture. 78. Fog lights are designed for low visibility, not normal night driving. 79. Hazard lights should not be used as a substitute for safe stopping. 80. Turn signals communicate intention before action. 81. Alignment affects steering, tire wear, and fuel economy. 82. Suspension parts wear gradually, so problems can feel normal over time. 83. A car pulling to one side can indicate tire, brake, or alignment issues. 84. Strange smells can be early warning signs. 85. A sweet smell may indicate coolant leakage. 86. A burning rubber smell can point to belts, hoses, or overheated parts. 87. A rotten egg smell can indicate exhaust or catalytic converter problems. 88. Rust bubbles under paint are usually worse underneath than they look. 89. Salt on winter roads speeds up corrosion. 90. Washing the underbody helps reduce salt buildup. 91. Dish soap can strip protective wax from car paint. 92. Car wash soap is designed to clean without damaging clear coat protection. 93. Bird droppings can damage paint if left too long. 94. Sunlight can fade paint and damage interior materials over time. 95. Parking in shade helps protect paint, dashboard, and seats. 96. Owner's manuals contain the maintenance schedule for that specific car. 97. Skipping small maintenance can turn cheap repairs into expensive repairs. 98. Warning lights should be checked early, not after the car feels different. 99. A car that still drives fine can still have a serious hidden problem. 100. The best car care habit is simple. Check tires, fluids, lights, and warning signs regularly. That's 100 facts down, and there are hundreds more to discover. If you enjoyed this episode, stay tuned for the next collection of facts that might completely change how you see everyday life. Thanks for watching.